FluidForming, an industry-changing reinvention of hydroforming, is the first major innovation in metal forming technology in more than 60 years. The FluidForming technology differs from traditional sheet metal stamping and bladder-based hydroforming in several profound ways.
FluidForming represents a technology that enables our customer to do things that weren't readily achieved before.
The range of materials that we form go from 2000s titanium for fuel cells all the way up to a 1/4-inch stainless steel for structural parts, and all that essentially with the same machine.
FluidForming is better in the sense that the product is more repeatable, the product is accurate, and the product itself is stronger and lighter.
Not only do you have a sheet metal forming machine that has state-of-the-art technology, but you can also incorporate bladder technology as well as tube forming and hydraulic forming. So it's really a 4-in-1 machine that allows you to have a wide variety of technologies and therefore forming options, especially for parts that are more complicated.
The future of fluid forming is essentially resting inside the organizations that we serve as they look to bring a product to market more cost effectively, faster, to address the marketplace more expeditiously. That to me is the strength of what fluid forming brings, well beyond all the technology. Yes, it can make something, but it's how you, the customer, decides what needs to be made that it enables.
To learn more about the principles of fluid forming and to find out how to put the fluid forming technology into your plant, contact FluidForming Americas today at 800-497-3545 or email us at info@ffamericas.com.